today we are going to make ZiZi's textured art. So for that we have to cut tissue into tiny pieces and then soak it into water for around 10 to 15 minutes. Until it's soaking in water, we will start with preparing a base by sketching our Labubu and then painting the background. Once our base is ready, we will move ahead with squeezing out the excess water from our soaked tissue, which will make it look something like this. To this we have to add glue and our choice of paint and mix it well so that it looks something like this. After that, apply glue to the area you want to texture, and then with the help of either forceps or toothpick, start with adding the paper mache that you have created. Press and dab the paper mache onto the base with the help of a toothpick to make sure it sticks well and does not leave behind clumps. And yeah, that's it. Just keep following the same until you're done. And comment down your favorite Labubu character so that I know you were watching the video till the end. Also, this is my very first attempt at tissue art. Let me know in the comments whether I did a fair job or not. Talking about the details, I preferred using paint over black color paper mache as it was more precise, control and gave a clean look. And yeah, here's the final reveal. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and share with your Labubu lover friends. Until then, see you next time.